The businesses you overlook are the ones quietly making Nigerians rich. Some smart Nigerians are cashing out from businesses you see every day but probably don't take seriously. In this video, I'm going to share 8 of these businesses with you. These are real income generating ideas that don't require millions to start but can grow into something powerful. So, whether you are unemployed, you're underpaid, or you're looking to add a new stream, watch till the end because the last one is going to shock you. Welcome, wealth builders. My name is Doyisola Toye. I am a certified chartered accountant. On this channel, I share smart tips to help you make, manage, and multiply your money. If you're new here, thank you for watching, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always showing up. I have a number of resources that will help you to get better and grow your money. Number one is an ebook on how to invest in stocks. This is beginner friendly. Number two is what I call the FGB budgeting system. This is a all-in-one tool that will help you not just to budget but to track your expenses, compound interest calculator, investment tracker, and a whole lot. And I also offer one-on-one consultation where I sit down with you to assess your current income, draft out an investment plan based on your risk appetite, and ensure that you grow your money effectively. All the links to this will be dropped in the description box below. Now, let's talk about the businesses that are making Nigerians rich and how you can be one of them. Number one is cleaning. This one is quietly booming, especially in places like Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. People don't like stress. Landlords want to show a clean apartment to new tenants. Offices need deep cleaning. Busy professionals are outsourcing cleaning so that they can focus on other important things. Airbnb also wants to show a clean environment and room to their guests, and nobody wants to clean up after fumigation. That's where cleaning businesses come in. A good cleaning job for a one-bedroom apartment can go for about 30k to 80k depending on the area. That was the amount I paid for fumigation and cleaning when I moved houses about 2 years ago. Imagine how much it will be now. All you need is mop, bucket, chemicals, gloves, detergent, vacuum cleaner, branding, and logo, which is optional. And if you want to grow fast, you need to target estate WhatsApp groups, offer office collection, discounts, and referrals. Don't just clean, you are selling professionalism. Offer before and after pictures and ensure timely delivery. Number two is laundry. This one is not new, but the way it's done now is where the money is. People are paying more for convenience than ever. That's why laundry businesses are raking in cash, especially if you add home and pick up service. Busy bachelors, married professionals, office workers, even fashion designers are looking for reliable laundry service. To start, you need a fairly used generator, a fairly used washing machine, pressing iron, detergent, starch. You need branded nylon, and then pick up and delivery service, which can be optional. You can still wash everything in your compound for a start. Don't just wash everything yourself forever. As you scale, hire help so that you can focus on delivery and management. Number three is rental equipment. This one is heavily slept on. A lot of things that you see at birthdays, weddings, and construction sites are not owned by people using them, they are rented. And that rental business is cash flow rich. Let me shock you. A single concrete vibrator machine goes for about 165,000 naira. And if you want to rent it, it's about 15k per day. If you rent it for 10 days, that's 150,000 naira. When someone told me how much the rent wheelbarrow or ladder, I was shocked. I had to think again. Some of the items that are rented include event chairs and canopies, lighting, cooling fan, scaffolding, ladder, wheelbarrow, even shovel. This business scales fast when you partner with caterers, event planners, site engineers, estate developers, and even construction site workers. You don't need to get new equipment. You can start with fairly used, focused on your area, market it online, and prepare for hot seasons like December. Number four is renting out space. In this age of remote and content creation, space is good, and many people cannot afford to get a full building or office space for office space or a studio. So they rent, and smart business people are turning unused spaces into money machine. If you have a quiet environment for remote workers to work, that is good. If you have studio for YouTubers and podcasters, if you have a clean and gorgeous kitchen for food creators, and if you have aesthetic rooftop for photo shoots, you are good to go. But if all you have is a big balcony, people have rented less. Number five is food business. Let's be honest, people must eat. But these days, it's not just about the food, it's about packaging, it's about convenience, and it's about consistency. Meal preps, shawarma, smoothies, zobo, asun, small chops are selling like mad. A colleague was telling me about how much he spent for 2 weeks on meal preps, about 250,000 naira for meal preps just for 2 weeks. There is a guy that heard the story. It's called Korede Spark. A number of you might know him. He started as an undergraduate, and recently I read that he has crossed 1 billion sales on Chow Deck. If you package it well and place a premium on it, people are going to pay premium for it because people are looking for convenience. Packaging is selling. And number six is car wash. Not everybody has Musa at the gate that will help them to wash their cars, right? Many people wash their cars once a week or once in 2 weeks. If you have unused space that you can give out, please consider this. And then number seven is drop shipping. This one, you don't require any capital to start. Yes. Most people that you see on Instagram online that sells bags, wigs, and etc., most of them are doing what is called drop shipping, and is that they are the middleman between the buyer and the seller. They just have to negotiate with the seller to say, I will market this product for you, display it on my Instagram, create videos, pictures, and all that. And when people show interest, they will make payments. Either they make payment to me or they make payment to you, and then there will be an agreement on the commission. The seller is going to be the one to deliver it, and over time they gather money to even start their own business. That's why when you ask most of those people on Instagram, they tell you they don't have a physical store, everything is delivery. It's because what many of them or most of them do is drop shipping, and from there they are able to get enough capital to even start the business themselves and be the seller. So you are the middleman between the seller and the buyer. You get the buyer to buy, you add your own commission, and then you're able to gather capital to even start your own business. And the last one is phone charging. Don't laugh. It's not everyone in Nigeria that has constant electricity supply. Some people pay to charge their phones, their power banks, their laptops, even lamps. You'll be shocked at how much people pay to charge phones. See this screenshot so that you can see for yourself that people are making money from random businesses that you often overlook. Now, something is happening from the 31st of August. It's called the Investment Starter Class. And this is for people who are still asking, where do I invest? How do I invest? How do I get started? I've watched videos. I'm still confused. And that is why I have three powerful classes for you that is focused on mutual funds or money market funds, treasury bills, and FGN bonds. And the third class is focused on stocks, ETFs, and REITs, both locally and globally. Each of these class goes for 7,000 naira, while the three you can pay 20,000 naira. And the first class is going to start from August 31st. For more information, click the link in the description box below. So, which one caught your eye? You don't need millions to start. Many of these businesses just require your consistency, good customer service, and packaging, while others are waiting for perfect time. Some smart Nigerians are cashing out from businesses they once overlooked. Don't ignore small beginnings. Don't ignore the 10K, the 30K jobs. That's how many people have been able to build 7 and 6 figure businesses. So I want to hear from you. Which of these business have you started already or are planning to start? I would love to hear your story. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for more smart money tips. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.